Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed on your preferred browser. You can find it on the official MetaMask website. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet, which involves generating a new secret recovery phrase, or import an existing one using your phrase. Remember to keep your secret recovery phrase extremely secure and private. After setting up your MetaMask wallet, the next step is connecting it to a decentralized application, or DApp. Open your browser and go to the DApp you want to interact with. On the DApp's webpage, you'll typically find a Connect Wallet or Login button, often located in the top right corner. Click this button, and a list of wallet options will appear. Select MetaMask to proceed. Once you select MetaMask, a pop-up window from the extension will appear, asking for your permission to connect. This pop-up will show you which account the DApp wants to connect to and any specific permissions it's requesting. Always take a moment to review these details carefully. If everything looks correct, click the Next button and then confirm by clicking Connect to establish the link between your wallet and the DApp. With your wallet connected, you can now interact with the DApp. When you initiate an action that requires a blockchain transaction, such as sending tokens or interacting with a smart contract, MetaMask will again pop up. This time, it will display the transaction details for your review, including the gas fees. Carefully check all the information before confirming the transaction. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed on the blockchain, completing your interaction with the DApp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.